The sign-up application is the perfect opportunity to enlarge your customer database in order to collect email addresses for a newsletter or mail-out, collect subscriptions for an event, or give away coupons or discount codes. The application works together with your email marketing tool to capture email addresses. So, let's take a look at this using the Right About Now email marketing tool. So as I said, as for this example, we'll be using the Right About Now tool. So I'm simply going to go onto the website and log in. Next, I need to create a form. So here I will click on Form on the top right hand menu and click Create a Website Form. So now it's a case of just going through all the boxes and selecting the correct options. So I'm going to click on subscription because I want my form to be a subscription for viewers to sign up to the newsletter. And name this form. I'm going to call this Essence Facebook Sign Up. This is simply for your personal use to remind you of what this form is for. It won't be displayed anywhere on the Facebook page. And the next two options are mainly for privacy purposes, so use double opt-in confirmation. This means that the contact will receive a confirmation link, which they need to confirm their subscription to the newsletter. And secondly, a thank you email. So this you'll be able to customize later. So it's when someone signed up to the newsletter, they will then get a customized thank you email afterwards. So moving on to advanced options. For now we're just going to keep it the same, but you can change the format, change the design and the format. And use captcha form security. This means that they have to type in letters so you can be sure it's actually a human signing up to your newsletter and not a robot. So for contact lists, the best thing to do is probably to create a new contact list before you start this process, as then you can have in one database all of your members that have signed up via the Facebook page. Here you can select as many fields as you wish to appear on the form, bearing in mind that viewers will be much more likely to fill in the form if it's just required of them their email address and perhaps first or last name. So here in the next box, you can choose the order that the form will appear in. So perhaps we want them to ask their name and then email address, and then afterwards how they wish to receive the emails. Let's go on to next. So this will be confirmation page. This will be the page they see once they've entered email address and their name. Just letting them know that they'll need to confirm the email from their inbox to subscribe to the mailing list. So this you can customise. Again, it's just like a word editor, so you'll have no trouble here. Or alternatively, you can leave the suggested email as it is. Next up is the confirmation email options. So this is the email they will receive, and they will need to confirm by clicking a link in the email to ensure they remain on the list. So here, if you wish, you can change the name the email is coming from, the email address and the email subject, and equally the text in the email. So next up, this will be the thank you page. So this is after they've clicked on the link in the confirmation email, and it's just a nice way of saying thank you and confirming to them that their subscription is now complete. So again, you could finish this off with perhaps your company logo or some more personal text. And then again, if you wish to, you can also send an email, just again confirming that the subscription is complete and they are now on the email list. So again, it's perfectly fine to leave all of these emails and pages as they are suggested if you wish, perhaps just adding your company logo on the end. And so if something does go wrong during the sign up, in the worst of cases, so this is a typical error page they might see. So this is, again, you could customise with your company name and perhaps redirect them to your website rather than the page they were previously on. So now we're going to save. And then this is a very important part, the HTML code, which we will need to copy and paste into our Facebook page.